This was the first time I'd been out sketching since September. Obviously with lockdown we haven't been able to get out and about, and I haven't really felt like loitering on our walks. Looking back in my sketch pad, it was funny that the last sketch I did in September was actually of Derwent Reservoir. I hadn't actually realised. But we'd taken advantage of our son being at school because year 8 had prioritised them going back because they're transitioning up to high school in September, and husband was between contracts, so when we were allowed to kind of get out and about and linger places, we were like, right, let's go for a walk. Not many views at Derwent Reservoir because obviously you've got the water and the landscape's quite flat around it, and obviously I had done that scene from before. But I did spot this field with this half-dead tree in it, which I found interesting. Obviously got little bits of greenery coming off it. I'm obviously a bit rusty with the camera angle for the sketching because it's kind of more the watercolour pans on this, but hopefully you'll be able to see enough to enjoy the sketch.